Okay, guys, I've lost my mind. I've dug into my declutter pile. I never did sell this. Couldn't bring myself to sell it. I've never used it. I'm going to use it. I ended up being afraid of it because of an eye infection or whatever. Like, I got a real bad eye reaction to another indie brand. My palette is still brand new. I'm going to finally do it, guys. Please hope with me that I don't end up with irritated eyes, because I don't want to end up not being able to wear makeup for a week. Like what happened with me with the Hella palette. But like, I can't take it anymore. I want to play with it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I don't even have on a full face of makeup. I'm sure I'm going to end up loving the look so much and then being really sad that I have to wash it off. But let's just have a little bit of fun. Like, I should be getting ready for bed. Okay. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm going to play with this palette first. Like, I already washed off my makeup look for the day. And yeah, I don't know what happened. I started going through some of my older palettes that I had decluttered. And I just started getting really nostalgic and sentimental for some of the palettes that I hadn't actually played with. And that's how we ended up here. This palette is way past its prime. I should have used it when it was new, but I got scared with the eye infection that I got from another palette, another indie brand. Okay, guys. I'm going to just do the eye look, and then if the whole thing comes out really amazing, then maybe I'll put on a full face of makeup, but I really don't know. I probably should, like, pull my hair back. Okay. Let's just go for it. I'm going to start off with the purples, these really beautiful taupey purples. I can't believe I'm actually playing with this beautiful palette. Who's surprised that one of the purples is the first shade that I reached for? Okay, my primer is good. Ooh, that's a beautiful, beautiful smoky taupey purple. Oh my God, it's so pretty. All right, so that's a good start right there. I'm gonna take my Singe Beauty, I think it's an EO5 maybe. Can you see that number? I don't know. I'm gonna take that into the deep blue. And I'm gonna pack this into the outer corner. Wow, that is really, really deep and dark, and I'm so here for it. Wow. Okay. I feel like we're almost done. I'm going to take my Singe Beauty, I think that's an EO4, and I'm going to go into this beautiful lavender shimmer. Oh my God, this is a stunning shade. Ooh. I am going to spray the brush because that's how Angie does her shades. And this is her. Oh my God. I'm just going to kind of like fluff that up into the crease a little bit so it's not so defined. That's pretty. For the lower lash line, and be real careful about placing that because I do not want this fluffing up into my eye at all. Wow. Okay, so we got a little dramatic here. I do really like the way that looks. For the inner corner, I'm going to try this light shade here. Oh my God. Oh. I feel the need to try that shade on my lid. Oh my God. I wish I would have done that shade all by itself just to see what it does. But here it is over that shade there. I felt like I didn't get the effect because I put it over that other shimmer. But here's the first look done. I guess I'm gonna do another look and then I'll do the mascara and eyeliner and show you both of the looks completed. I'm gonna take this E25 from Sigma, and I'm gonna start off with this really beautiful bright, I can't even see it. I'm gonna start off with this really beautiful bright blue. I am living for this blue. It's not as bright as it looks in the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and pack this on the back half of the lid. And just kind of wing it out for a little fun. I don't know. Okay. Then I'm going to take a smaller one, an E27. And I'm going to use that into this green, like shimmery shade. Definitely a shade I want to spray. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God, honey, yes. Okay. We're gonna leave that all over the front half of the lid, just like that. I feel like that's almost the eye. I don't want to do too much more because like that's a look right there. Just want to add some like blue details. So I'm going to pick up some of this navy blue on this really, really pointed little pen, like detailed brush. And I'm just going to create a bit of a wing. All right. Maybe I should have done a slightly thicker one so that I can like get more of a blend going. There we go. Okay, and then also on the bottom, I'm going to take some more and just like line the bottom with the blue. Kind of like that. Okay. yeah. What else could I put there? I feel like I should check out this blue shade. Yeah, I have to. I want to put it back here. Ooh. Yeah, that's it right there. Ooh, yeah. Baby, look at that. Ooh, okay. Something's making me want to choke. Like, I feel like I'm having a little bit of a respiratory reaction to the palette. But here's the looks that I've created. I'm going to add some eyeliner and mascara. Go ahead and do my brows just to try to finish out the whole eye area. And then we'll come back and take a good look at each of the eyes. Okay, here's the finished 2 looks. Here's one. It's a little wild. Here's the other one. I feel like this one's more of like an everyday wearable smoky eye. This one's a little bit more of like, this one's a little bit more of like a wild party eye, a little bit more of an avant-garde look, like not your everyday kind of eye look. This one over here is more of like a, I guess, more normal everyday smoky eye look. This is definitely a look that I would wear anytime. It is a little dramatic, but I like it. Yeah, essentially what I did get from this side though, like, cause the shape is a little peculiar, I'll give you that. It's a little fun, a little different, but what I did get from this is that I love the color combination of those 2 shimmers right there, the blue and the green. I feel like those 2 shimmers go really beautifully together. I really enjoyed this lavender one here, and I'm looking forward to seeing what this like white shade there does all by itself. So yeah, I'm so glad that I finally got the nerve up to play with this palette. I'm so glad I didn't get rid of it. It's really beautiful. I do plan to do a like full face look with it soon so that I can wear the look for the whole day. And in that one, I'm gonna play with some of this like brighter fun road down here for summer. If like I'm starting to feel the slight hint of irritation in one of my eyes or not, but hopefully not. Fingers crossed, because I would like to be able to wear this palette now that I've played with it. So yeah, I feel really dumb that I like decluttered it out of fear from reaction to the other indie palette that I had tried, but I'm glad that I kept it, and I really enjoyed playing with it today, and I really enjoyed the color story and the color combinations that I got to play with. So I'm looking forward to creating like an actual full-blown look for the day the next time that I play with this palette. So this one is being pulled out of my declutter pile and out of my memory makeup and into my active collection. Yeah, so I'm really happy about that. I hope you're not upset with me about that. Like, if you are, maybe you should try to figure out why you're so bothered by what I'm doing with my makeup. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here with me on my channel. If you enjoyed this like fly-by-night impromptu video, please do click the like button. It really helps my small channel out so much. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that we can hang out again. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.